Hello high heels lovers and welcome back to my channel. As you can hear, I'm not sick anymore. Everything is alright. My voice sounds pretty good, I think so, or sound normal at least. I really had a bad experience, guys, and I think that I took my part. And this flu season is officially closed now. I'm not participate anymore, and I really hope that you didn't experience a flu this season. It was really not a pleasant, not a fun experience, but it's over now, and now let's focus on something positive and something pleasant. And what about a pair of new shoes, right? New shoes today. It's not the usual box by Leopard. Today it is something different. I really like this color of the box. This is Aquazzura. Aquazzura, my probably favorite Italian shoes brand. I have done another video for Aquazzura shoes before, and I told you a lot about this brand. I am really a big fan, and I really like their style. It is unique, and their shoes, they're really like a piece of jewelry, and their boutiques like a piece of art, like exhibitions, like I don't know how to say, like really unique places, and with unique design and architecture, I can say, in a very nice locations, always in nice locations. Especially I remember this boutique in Capri, for example, and in Florence as well. So amazing, really, guys. They're extraordinary in what they're doing. And about this model today, it's an emblematic model by this brand. I think it's going to be very interesting for you guys, and I'm sure that you're gonna love it. I can say that I love this pattern, that I'm like 100% obsessed with the pattern. But it is interesting, it's exotic, and it was very fashionable this summer, maybe next one as well, but I'm not a person who follows fashion. Anyway, I just have my style, and I stick to that. So doesn't matter, the model is very interesting, the design is also interesting, unique, and something out of my comfort zone, I can say, but doesn't matter. I'm up for challenges, and if you combine this pattern, this color or whatever, this type of pattern, if you combine it properly, it's going to be perfect. I mean, so it is for somebody who has a talent to combine clothes. I guess it required some talent, and I have this talent. I was born with that, and I can guys give you some ideas, and I can help you if you have another pair of shoes in similar pattern, what you can do with that. So today I'm going to unbox the shoes as I usually do. I will try them on, and then I'm going to show you some looks combined with the shoes. I will give you some inspirations, some ideas. So that is pretty much another pair of shoes, and I'm excited. I'm really excited because the shoes are really unique. So guys, I hope that you would agree with me, and I hope that you will enjoy this episode. So let's get started with the unboxing. Welcome back to the channel, fashion lovers. Today I'm thrilled to share my thoughts on a stunning pair of heels from the luxury brand Aquazzura, the Satin Bow Tie 105mm pumps in a fabulous leopard pattern. These beautiful pumps, the first thing that strikes me is the luxurious satin finish, which instantly elevates the overall aesthetic.
The leopard print is bold yet sophisticated, making it a versatile option for both casual and formal occasions. The signature Aquazzura packaging adds a touch of elegance, setting the tone for what's inside. These pumps feature a charming tie-bow detail at the back, adding a unique twist to the classic silhouette. The pointed toe elongates the leg, and the 105mm heel strikes the perfect balance between high and comfort. Aquazzura is known for its commitment to comfort, and these pumps do not disappoint. The cushioned insole makes them wearable for extended period, whether you're dancing the night away or enjoying a chic daytime event. I'm wondering why those shoes are that expensive and that valuable. Produced in a small factory in Florence, shoes made by the luxury brand Aquazzura can take up to 10 months to craft. A single high heel can pass through the hands of up to 120 skilled workers. Some of the craftsmen and women use techniques that are over 100 years old. So another interesting fact about those shoes is that they are known as bunny ears. And generally, I can say for Aquazzura shoes, they are true to size. My final thoughts, guys, are that the Aquazzura Satin Bow Tie 105 pumps in leopard pattern are a must-have for any fashion-forward wardrobe. The combination of comfort, style, and elegance make them a worthy investment. Whether dressing up for a special occasion or adding flair to a casual outfit, these pumps are sure to turn heads. I hope that you are staying tuned for my detailed try-on segment where I'm giving you a closer look at how these pumps move and feel in action. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more high-end fashion content. Now let's dive into styling. I'll be demonstrating 5 different looks showcasing the versatility of these pumps.
So guys, it's time to say bye bye to you. I hope that you are enjoying today's video. I hope that you like the shoes and I hope that you like my outfits. Please let me know in the commentary section which of those looks is your favorite, and also please let me know if you want to see something different from me, or if you have any concrete idea to share with me. I really appreciate your suggestion about the my healing last time, so that was really fun. But I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your concern, and some of your suggestions and advices were very interesting, creative, and it was fun. So please also give me big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my content, and hit the bell button in case you want to get notified when I post a new video. So guys, that was all for today. I wish you, so it depends really when you are going to watch this video, but I wish you a pleasant, probably new start of the new week, or maybe just a pleasant weekend if you're watching that over the weekend. Pleasant evening, and just enjoy with my video and with my content. Don't skip the advertisements, don't skip when you're watching it, because this is the way to support my channel. And guys, that was all for today. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your comments. And we see each other very soon. I hope so. Bye. I love you guys.